What if I told you that you can make $10,000 in the next 30 days selling digital products? 1, without showing your face. 2, without having a big following. And 3, without spending $1 in inventory. Yes, it is true. You can definitely do this. And in this video, I am going to show you exactly how you can do this step by step. And at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can start not tomorrow, but today. Stay with me because at the 8-minute mark, I am going to show you the one digital product that makes the most money. You can sell it within the fastest time and with the least amount of effort. And yes, it is true. You can do this. So let's go. Well, my name is Coach Sam. Just a few years ago, January 2024, not too long ago, I was just like you. I was working a regular 9-to-5 job. I was hating my life and I was hating everything that was in it. When I tell you guys, I was so unhappy at work, which bled over into my family life. But you know what? I said, it is time for a change. And I asked God for that change. You guys, in January 2024, that was my first month implementing the same system that I am going to show you guys right now how to do. When I tell y'all that it is simple, it is easy, and anybody can do it, I absolutely mean that anybody can start this, okay? I want to show you guys something. So look, this one digital product, it has over 1,300 sales. You guys, they are selling this for $206, okay? There are so many others, you guys, like this one. This has over 10,000 sales, and they are selling this budget planner for $190. So what we're going to do, you guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own budget planner. And like I said, you guys, I have made hundreds of thousands of dollars literally with my channel. And if you're a beginner, these are such easy channels to create. And like I told you guys before, I'm going to show you guys how to easily make these digital products. In fact, these digital products are included within the course, you guys. So within the course, we have a 7,000 digital products, you guys. And I'm going to show you right now how simple, how easy it is to create these on your own. You guys, they're already created. The only thing that you have to do is change the first page, okay? That's the only thing that you have to do. When I tell you guys, I have made this super duper simple, super duper easy, where all you're going to have to do is change the front page and put these on your channel. Watch them create that passive, low effort, no work income, okay? So we're going to go down here, you guys. We are going to go to one of my best ones, you guys. I love this planner, okay? We are going to go right here, you guys. We are going to go into the budget tracker planner. We have the financial planner. We have the budget planner. Pick one of those, okay? You can pick any of those, all right? Pick one of those so that you can literally put this on your channel tonight. Start that FACELESS channel tonight, okay? So we're gonna go right here. We're going to go to use template, okay? Now we're gonna open this up. And like I told you guys, this has already been created for you. These budget trackers, you can put them on Etsy. You can link them to your digital product and put them into the Stand store. You can do all of that. And I prefer the Stand store. The Stand store, you are able to set your own price. You're also able to set your own price on Etsy, but Etsy has more competition. Your own personal website is where you can set these up and you can make the money off of them, okay? So what we're going to do, you guys, and let me show you how simple and how easy this is, okay? So what you're going to do, instead of it having the budget tracker planner on here, we are going to go to templates and we are going to look for ebook covers, okay? Now with your ebook covers, let me tell you the secret to this is to find an ebook cover that has a picture inlet. And I'm going to share with you right now, the ones that have a picture inlet is always the coaching ones, okay? So what you do is you go to the coaching ebook covers, okay? These always have a picture inlet. Now, if you want to keep this 100% faceless, all you have to do is put your logo in here. That's all you guys have to do is literally stick your logo in here, or you could put your face on here, okay, you guys? So you know I love this one, okay? This has been my go-to one for a very long time. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna take this over here, and then you guys, they're gonna ask us, do we want to replace the current page or add a new one? We're going to go to replace the current page, okay? So now that you have this up, you guys, this looks like it is your own. This is your own branding, okay? So once you have that together, all you have to do, literally, you guys, all you have to do is stick this right in there, okay? So the ultimate coaching guide, what we're going to do, we are going to go to uploads, okay? Once we go to uploads, what I am going to tell you guys to do is go to a really nice place in your area, take a couple pictures of yourself or have someone take pictures of yourself, you guys, and use that picture. Now, if you guys already know, I used to be a realtor, so I have a lot of professional pictures on here. You do not have to use a lot of professional pictures. You don't have to use a lot of professional pictures, okay? So what you're going to do is you are going to go ahead and you're going to just replace this picture with your own. I'm showing you guys how really super simple and how really super duper easy it is to do this, okay? So we are trying to, you can even put this as a bigger one. Listen, Linda. Okay, so you can either put this as a bigger one or you can put that as a smaller one. It is up to you, whatever you want to do, okay? So you can replace this picture right here, and then you could just simply slip in your own, okay? Simply slip in your own. And let's see if they allow us. Yeah, we're here. Boom. So now it looks like yours. Now, what I like to do is, because I am a creature of branding, what I like to do, you guys, is I like to go ahead and I like to keep my colors the same as well. That is a part of your branding, okay? So and I'm gonna turn this pink, I should turn it like a lilac, maybe document colors. Okay, there we go. Really nice, really simple, and really easy. So after you have this, you're like, how are we going to put this on the channel? Well, I'm going to show you guys how to put this on the channel. So what you guys are going to do is you are going to go to, you are going to go to share, and you guys, we are going to go to copy link. We're going to go to template link, okay? So once you go to template link, all you have to do is either put this in Etsy, which I do not want you guys to do. I actually want you guys to put this into Stand Store, Beacons, or any other digital product store. And let me tell you guys, I love the Stand Store. You're able to do this with Stand Store. So you're gonna put this onto the Stand Store, and then you guys, you are going to go ahead and you're going to sell this on your own store where you don't have any competition, and you guys, where you can literally set the price for whatever you want it to be. So that is how super simple, super duper easy that Canva is going to pay your bills. And like I told you guys, I have the budgeting tracker, and I am going to show you guys one more that I use. All right, you guys, and another one that I use is going to be either the self-love journal. You could create manifestation, you could create motivational journals. All that is in this 7,000 digital products. All of that is in there. So you can create the self-love journal, the gratitude journal, the 5-minute gratitude journal, the daily devotional journal, the gratitude journal, you guys, my next channel is that motivational channel. So any one of these can be put on your motivational channel. And like I said before, they do extremely well. These things have brought me in over $50,000 a month without even having to work. So when I tell you guys that this is super duper simple, super duper easy, it is, okay? Now here's the thing, knowing what to sell is only half of the battle. The other half is building the Faceless channel that gets people there. The content strategy, the SEO, the monetization, and the system. That is exactly what I teach in my Rich Girls and Guys Don't Work Faceless channel program. I walk you through how to pick your niche, how to set up the channel, and how to make the content without showing your face so that you can sell your digital products and create real passive income. So I'm gonna leave the link below so that you're able to join. You can also use PayPal, you could use Klarna, you could use Affirm. There are so many flexible options because I want you there. I want you to learn, I want you to get this, and I want you to be free. You should be on that first class flight. You should be changing your life. And I do not want you guys afraid of what happens in the future. I want you afraid of being broke. I want you afraid of poverty. And I want you afraid of asking people anything. Why? Because you have your own Faceless channel. And if you're watching this, you're thinking, Sam, can I really do this? Yes, you can. I have students in my class that are 40, 50, 60, and some of them are even 70 years old, and they are doing it right now. So it is your turn. What I want you guys to do is click the link below. Make sure you're in my class. We have class every single Sunday. See you there because I want you to learn and I want you to get it. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.